rain, not the fire. Red Bull pushes me past the limits.
Guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually create these type of viral videos yourself using only AI. And the crazy part is actually that you can have any product, any environment. So this is really exaggeration. It's more like a viral type of video, but you can literally do even realistic ones or even more exaggerated ones. You can have a freaking Godzilla chasing the guy and it's going to be looking like a scene out of a Hollywood movie, guys. Okay, and today we're going to be using something called Higgsfield.AI, which is basically one of the most recent players in AI industry when it comes to AI generated content. Because when I'm actually going to show you the quality of AI models and characters it can generate, it's going to blow your mind away, guys. I promise you guys. Okay, just let me give you a quick overview. If I go here on Explore, and if I click, for example, here on the viral, right? So this is a more like a viral category of videos, guys. I mean, look at the quality, right? Obviously, it's like you can see that it's not real in a sense because there's a lot of effects and stuff like that. But it also could be a real person just after edited with video software. But I'm talking about the characters itself, right? So the human character is so ridiculously realistic that is absolutely insane, guys. Just look at that. I mean, the quality of the characters, right? The skin texture, the lighting, right? So the effects of the environment is just absolutely crazy, right, guys? That's kind of what I'm trying to say here, that imagine if you are a Shopify brand or DTC brand, and if you want to create really scroll stopping or like super viral UGC content videos, then this is definitely it, because you can exactly do that with Higgsfield, guys. Okay, and let me show you how you can do it yourself. So obviously the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Higgsfield.ai and create an account. That's going to be your starting point. All right, so once you're here, now you need to choose your AI character, or basically the template, right? So if we want to go with something viral like my guy right there, running on fire and promoting Red Bull, so we're going to go to viral section right here. All right, and let's see something that kind of catches our eye, where we could say, what the hell, that's actually pretty cool. So let's just go through it. So this is kind of cool. Again, the explosion is pretty awesome, guys. Okay, but again, we just did an explosion. We did kind of like a fire video. Let's try something different. Let's see, guys, what we can choose. Oh, guys, how about this guy right here? Okay, this could be a cool. So I'm gonna click on it. Let me choose one of these ones. Okay, so which one is more? Let's do this guy right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take this entire prompt right here. Okay, I'm gonna copy the prompt. I'm gonna bring it to a image. Okay, and now we're gonna create a static image out of that video, right? You can see the videos with the Red Bull I created, guys. Pretty awesome. Here I had another one with a water bottle, with a vitamin water. So pretty cool stuff, guys. So I'm going to delete all of this. Let me copy paste the prompt. Let's make sure we are in portrait and make sure it's on a realistic preset. They have a lot of presets, guys. If you click here, a lot of different presets, iPhone, realistic, stuff like that. So really, it will fit any type of DTC or Shopify brand you have, guys. You're going to kind of create like really crazy stuff with this. But for now, I'm just going to go with realistic, and I'm going to remove my old prompt. I'll copy paste my new prompt, and I'm going to generate. It's going to be pretty quick. So first, we're going to generate this static image. All right, awesome. So we have our character. Let's say we want to go with this guy right here. Okay, so let's download this guy right here. Then let's gonna go to a video and we're gonna click on a UGC factor. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So the template is going to be general, right, for the image. So we're going to remove the old ones. Whoops. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's start with a new one. So the character will be this one right here. Instead of Red Bull, we're going to do something different. Let's do Old Spice, guys. So we're going to do a man's deal. So let's save this to our downloads. All right. And let's upload the product right here like this. Okay, so we have the character and the product. So now we're gonna blend them. Okay, so generate image. That's basically gonna give you 4 variants that we're gonna choose from. Okay, and now we need to create a scene. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna open another tab of Higgsfield. I'm gonna go to my generated images, and what I want here, I want this prompt right here. Okay, because that's going to be my base prompt. Okay, and now I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, we have that. Okay, just kind of thoughts in a sense what I'm doing here. So I'm basically saying I'm creating Old Spice a commercial, and characters prompt was below because I want to use the prompt right here to kind of recreate image to video with the action items. Okay, so I'm just saying this was the prompt, and basically now create image to video prompt for image attached. Okay, and image attached, I mean this one here. Let's see which one kind of looks better. This one could be cool. So let's pull this one. Okay, we're gonna pull this one. We're gonna give this as a reference to ChatGPT. All right, and let's go ahead and do that. So it's gonna give us a prompt, and the only thing I want to have everything in a line. I need text inline. Oops, yeah, I think it's gonna time anyways. There you go, guys. It's inline. That's what I need. Let's copy that. Okay, we're gonna go back to our UGC factory right here. So this is the image we went with, was it? Yes, that's the one. Okay, so let's choose that one. We're gonna click on next. Describe the action. This is the action from ChatGPT. Audio to text. So now I need 8-second voice over script and separate prompt for environment like sounds, etc. Okay, let's shoot that to ChatGPT. So this is the prompt script. Okay, I'm gonna go to UGC factory. This is gonna be our audio or the character, and now we're gonna do the environment right here, and that's gonna go into our background here. Okay, but before that, let's do the audio. Let's make sure we are in English. Okay, and then we're gonna do American. Okay, and we are pretty much good to go. Let me just kind of see. We have the template. We have the video. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and shoot that to ChatGPT and sorry, I mean to the Higgsfield.AI guys. I'm actually super curious to see how this is gonna pan out, right? So let's see what kind of result we're gonna get this time. So Red Bull was pretty fun. Let's see what we can get from Old Spice deal for guys. Okay, guys, and it's ready. Let's check it out. So let me play the video for you.
It isn't just muscle; it's confidence, precision, and style. Old Spice, power that moves.
I mean, that's pretty cool. Obviously, the Old Spice thing disappeared, but again, it's a style of commercial. It can be, it doesn't really matter, but it's pretty cool, guys. So it's a really cool viral style video, right? So easily you could see on social media. So now you can do everything yourself for your products, right? To create really viral and scroll stopping videos. So Higgsfield gonna be the thing for that. So let me show you also an alternative. Okay, it's a bit more manual, but again, could work out depending on the use case. So we can use something called KlingAI. Okay, so KlingAI, it's going to be a bit more manual process. So let me show you how that works, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do here, obviously go to KlingAI.com, create an account. It's fairly cheap. You can start for something like $6 or $8 a month, and you get like a generous amount of credits. Which is slightly cheaper than Higgsfield. Higgsfield, I believe, starts around $20-something a month. So this could be a beginner-friendly and beginner budget-friendly platform versus Higgsfield. So we can achieve similar results here, right? So if we go to Kling, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to video, right? And right here, I have a couple options, okay? So I would need to basically drop the image of my guy right here with a Red Bull, and then I would basically animate that to a video, right? But the down part really, it's not gonna come with a it's gonna come with some sound effects, right? But it's not gonna come with any of voiceovers and stuff like that, right? So we are kind of bringing in a product and a character already blended together, and then we're just simply gonna animate that. Okay, so that's kind of a delimitation here. So again, I'm going to use the prompt from the ChatGPT, and I just need to bring it in here. Okay, and then we can do 10 seconds. Okay, that's kind of the benefit. It's a bit longer. We can do it a little bit more creative. Okay, so for the sounds, that is fine. Let's let AI generate the sounds. Okay, and we should be good to go for the motions. One cool thing about KlingAI, what I like, you can kind of give a prompt for motion. You guys can see here, you can kind of change the motion of the character, right? So here we can do like a Kung Fu, okay? Instead, let's change to Kung Fu. And now we are good to go. The only downside, we're not gonna have any voiceover, right? But it could be added to 11 Labs and then you stitch together in CapCut, but again, more manual process compared with something like Higgsfield, where everything is kind of in-house under same roof, right? So if I'm gonna generate this, guys, okay, and it's gonna be good to go. So the only downside, it's gonna take us 20 minutes, guys, okay? So I guess I'm gonna get back to you in 20 minutes so we see the end result, all right? Okay, so actually, not to make myself any wait for 20 minutes because, so the reason why this one is taking 20 minutes because I chose their beta function for motion control, where basically they apply very human type realistic motions, right, to the character. That's why it's taking a while. So again, if you guys want to see the end result, let me know down in the comments and I'll plug in the link to see the video, right? But for now, I just created the same video just without the kung fu or animated movements, right? The custom movements. So this is going to take 5 minutes. So this is a much better option. So we can kind of see side by side in terms of the video quality compared with the Higgsfield, for example. Okay, so here it is. Let me play that for you. Obviously, not as good quality. First of all, it's very slow motion. I don't know why. Second of all, the bottle just kind of blends between his hands and everything, and there's a lot of side effects. So definitely, I wouldn't say it's the best model for action-packed viral videos. So Higgsfield definitely does a better job at it, right? So if we're gonna play it again,
Strength isn't just muscle, it's confidence and style. Old Spice, power that moves.
right? I mean, at least funny, you know, there's some sounds in the background, some sound effects. Obviously, the bottle disappeared, but at least it's not like blending constantly between his in his body and his hands, right? So, and again, if you play around with Higgsfield a little bit more, you can get it to the point where it's like as good as an actual TV commercial or TikTok commercial, you know, like really those super commercial, like video roles you see in between when you're watching Netflix or when you're watching Amazon Prime or when you're watching Disney. You know, you have like the paid ads breaks that they introduced, super annoying. But they show a lot of these, you know, funny viral type of videos. So you can definitely do something like that with Higgsfield, for example, guys. Okay, and you guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. At least you can compare Higgsfield with KlingAI and kind of see which AI platform would be better suited for what you're trying to achieve for your viral ads. If you have any questions about any of the platforms or generating content with AI, let me know in the comments and I'm going to help you out. If not, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and enable those notifications so you get notified when the next video like this drops. And guys, you already know, I'm going to wish you happy building and I'm going to see you next time.